Hi, this is Mishti, and we are here for Babu Baga Busy. Our fantastic director Naveen came up to me with this offer, and I really liked. We discussed a lot about the movie and about the script and how it is going to be made. And I really liked his sensibilities as a director. I think he's a fantastic director. So that is the first point when you sign a film. I think like you should have faith in the director, and that's how I started this. Okay, so Srinivas Avsarala, as we all know, that he is a very talented actor, and he has been a fantastic co-star to me. He has been very supportive, and we know what he's playing in the film, but in real life, he is a very innocent person. So the music of the film is something very fantastic because there is one song for every occasion in this film. There's romantic, there's naughty, there's party, there's everything. So I think this is a combination of different genres of music that want to suit every occasion. Okay, I like the romantic song that is picturized on me, but please do not ask me to sing or say the wordings. About my co-artist. Okay, most of my scenes were with Avsarala, and with the other girls I have not really met them during shooting. We met after for a photo. We met afterwards for a photo shoot, and I think we have bonded really well, and everybody has done fantastic job. I had been seeing their trailers, and I had been seeing the other girls in the songs, and I think this film has a set of very good actors. He is a debut director in Telugu, but he has done a lot of works outside. He has done works in Hollywood. So, as I told you, he's a fantastic director, and that is obviously a very positive point for our film. There's a lot of difference. First of all, our film is much more cinematic. It is adapted a bit according to Telugu sensibilities, and also I think we did not try to copy or imitate or make it monotonous or repetitive, whatever was there in the original film. We have every actor has put in their own efforts, their own style of acting, and has brought a lot of freshness to the film. Abhishek Nama is and Abhishek Pictures. I think this is one of the best production houses that I've worked with. I cannot remember any one time when I could complain. I think they were fantastic. The film is a very different film. People might call it adult comedy or sex comedy or whatever, but I think this is a very matured film on a matured subject, and I think the youngsters are really going to love it.